Say hello, everybody. Say hello. Say I'm Amina. Say I'm Amina. Maybe we'll get you to speak. Can you speak? Speak to people. Say, right, speak. Say I'll do it fine. Just a little hungry. Say I just ate and I was changed.
And her weight. She weighed 4 pounds and 11.2 ounces, so she gained almost 2 ounces.
All right. So I got bigger. Say I got bigger, but I still hungry. Say I still hungry. And after this feeding, everything goes good, I'll go back up to getting full tummy then. Do you have to poopy? No. No more poopy. So hello, everybody. I'm about to go night-night. Oh, ain't nothing in there, girl. Nothing over there. Oh, you just want to snuggle up. Okay. Daddy hold you. All right. Where you passing? Where you passing? Want you passing?
Hey, you want this, sweetie?
There's your passing.